Shirley Arcayos, this is our video. ALRS Admiralty List of Radio Signals. The Admiralty List of Radio Signal, or ALRS, is a book used in a maritime communication. It contains important information like radio station, frequencies, call signs, location of station. Seafarers use ALRS to know where and how to send message. For example, if there's is an emergency, they check ALRS to find correct radio station to contact. ALRS helps make communication faster and correct. It is very important for safety. C. ALRS book radio frequency and call sign. It helps seafarers send message to correct station, especially in emergencies.
ITU Publications, or International Telecommunication Union. This is a global organization. It makes rules for communication, set rules for radio use worldwide ug para ma-clear ang communication sa tibuok kalibutan.
ICS International Code of Signals. The International Code of Signals, or ICS, is a system used for communication at sea. It uses flags, letters, signal codes. Each signal has specific meaning. For example, one flag or a group of flags can mean I need help or I'm in danger. ICS helps ships understand each the other even if they speak different language. It is very important for safety and clear communication at sea.